Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my YouTube channel Think Vista with Dr. Aqeel and Nagina Khan. Today we are diving into something that affects every single one of us in today's digital age. The 8 elements of digital literacies. When we hear the word literacy, we usually think of reading and writing. But in today's world, literacy also means knowing how to use digital tools responsibly, effectively, and creatively. Literacy is not just about using a smartphone or browsing the internet. It's about how we think, create, communicate, and live in a digital world. And to understand it better, we will break it down into 8 elements. The first element is cultural, CU. This means understanding how culture shapes the way we use digital tools. For example, in some cultures, sharing personal photos online is normal, but in others, it may be seen as inappropriate. We take daily life example. Think about using emojis. In one culture, a thumbs up emoji means good job, but in another, it can actually be offensive. So, being culturally aware online is part of digital literacy. Second is cognitive. This is all about thinking skills. It's how we process information online. For example, when we Google something, we need to decide, is this source reliable or is it fake news? A daily example is students researching for an assignment. If they just copy from the first link they see, that's poor digital literacy. But if they compare different sources, analyze, and then decide, that's cognitive literacy. Third one is constructive. This means using digital tools to build something useful. For example, instead of only consuming TikTok videos, you start making your own educational content. Something simple like creating a budget sheet on Excel for your household expenses. You are not just consuming digital content, you are constructing something meaningful. Fourth is communicative. Communication is at the heart of digital life. WhatsApp messages, Zoom calls, emails, these are all ways we communicate digitally. But communicative literacy means doing it effectively. For example, writing a professional email to your teacher or boss is different from sending a casual text to a friend. Knowing the difference shows digital literacy. Fifth one is confident, CF. Confident. This is about having the confidence to explore new apps, websites, or tools without fear. Many people say, oh, I am not good with technology, but confidence makes a huge difference. Let's take a daily life example. Your grandmother using WhatsApp video call for the first time. At first, she is nervous, but once she gains confidence, she starts using stickers, voice notes, even status updates. Number 6 is creative. This means using technology to express yourself in new ways. For example, making a YouTube video, designing a digital poster, or even remixing a song. And creativity doesn't mean you need to be an artist. A simple example is students using Canva to design a birthday card for their friend. That's digital creativity in action. Number 7 is critical. This is one of the most important ones. Critical literacy means questioning what we see online. Just because something is trending doesn't mean it's true. A daily life example, you see a WhatsApp message saying, "This herbal tea cures all diseases." Instead of believing blindly, a critical thinker asks, who wrote this? Is there scientific proof? Number 8 is civic. This means being a responsible digital citizen. It's about how we contribute to the online community. For example, reporting harmful content, respecting others in comment sections, or even participating in an online petition for a good cause. These are all ways to show civic digital literacy. If we use all 8 elements together, cultural, cognitive, constructive, communicative, confident, creative, critical, and civic, we become smart, safe, and responsible digital citizens. And remember, digital literacy is not just for students or professionals, it's for everyone: parents, teachers, business people, and even kids. So think about it. Which of these 8 elements do you already use well, and which ones do you need to improve? We had love to hear from you in the comments. Share one digital literacy skill you are proud of or one you want to work on. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Think Vista with Dr. Aqeel and Nagina Khan for more educational content with us. Thank you.